What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Take this good ass energy like always. Take it. Today we're finna make a crazy Travis Scott x on Toliver super wavy ambient type of beat like this. I've been counting digits wrong. She been counting, oh no. Bro, that's hard. I was going in right there. Let's just dive right into the video. Let's get it. Hey, that's hard. Yeah, she don't wanna go to dance all night. Let's add valve compressor on this. It really gives like that raw sound to it. Let me put my mic a little bit closer. Shh. Fuck, you know, I'm just playing. Let me add like some one shots in there. Pancake on this as well to make it go left and right. Yeah, that's nice. Got some highs. Just give like some nice touch to the melody. Crazy. let's take a final listen. Yeah. Shit. Shit. Fell out of love, shit, yeah. Fell out of love, fell out of love, yeah. I can never trust you, yeah. You been telling lies, yeah. I didn't know the night, yeah. Tell me the night, yeah. She been listening, fires in the night, just fell out of love, shit. Started coming back, I didn't know the trust you, and it's throwing the man, yeah. I got shooters right in the back. They are not enough. I can never do no. Shit. I don't know. A little bit faster maybe. Yeah, no. Shit. I been counting digits, whoa. She been counting, no. Shit. I been counting digits, whoa. Shit. I can never trust her, no. Just fell out of love. Shit. In a packet of dogs. That's hard. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. I can definitely hear like Toliver or Travis Scott on this. It's super vibey. But hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at gunna. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.